Council me gulo do tiro moko me duoko jen ne meya kwa me berikin lu nyamlok me council ne chake ni no matini wabekel report eni kimoken mapol tini yup me logo ne mo chwin.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
La do ot council me gulu city do yeni mono mayor Alfredo Kwao doctrine e council.
Hold this worship in there. You come back to the next council meeting.
Nywer maliet tin tie Kawempe North kabed makitika bolo yekwi me yero MP manyen meleyo kawang liele Mohammed Kirinya.
I have voted in my favor.
Kadong ladod mokochek melo Uganda man meko Anet Anita Mong tini oyalo ni mameke board office pa IGG.
I've successfully made a declaration to IGG online.
Amori ajule kaneno yup melo gange mo chindong kombeti ki wanlu television ania Sunday akumu. Ingeri mawago meya me gulu city dwemi achil pilok ni mono en tika toro chik pa council do no tiki lok mogo ma en pe tika lupune doktit mamege la do ot me gulu city council do tiro ye ni mon ke duok chen meya kwa obedong e council kar me nyamo lok dujo enen do ya par bichel me dwemi achil la do ot me gulu city man Joyce Reni Alima ore mogo meya Alfredo Kwao ni kongdo kenga chokario pa council machelo way food piditu which mano en tikwere en todo ikar ma council utema kachama megimengi wiye biaklim pa gulu city man pi mwagalim alibre piro bichel icheng adek la woni alima waendo ngetiko yeni mono kwa doktini council obed kit majuini na George pa one luo television David Magere Kelly report man kombeti.
Malupe kitele ma obedo ikin lutela me Gulu City Council ki Gulu City Mayor idwe ma achiel kono Speaker me Gulu City Council otieko katika maleng me mogoni endong itieko kwanyo woko ki geng ma ono gimiyo ki Mayor idwe ma achiel ni omier kukeng council meeting maroma rio piberu ki Didwich dok peme woro council meno man kono kati ikare metim kachoke man full council meeting mobedo ichiade ikare magitika ngiyo wiye kom budget nyo biak lim me mwaha alibario ki piru beach alibario ki piru bichel ma otum maber tira Joyce Alima Reni mati speaker me Gulu City Council kono kati kono wajni malope gin mo karange chigitam ne pere tek tutwal no mergen getim kita ki meya ka dongi ye eno chak beri council meeting kono eno ke anchel ke ken man we okon kit menwa ko je mo kene makeme ki lok me yaro biak lim pian pege mero ko ni je mo kene getimo mano en petie
Hold this worship in there. You come back to the next council meeting and continue serving these people without an excuse. And that one will also stand a test of time whether it's going to attend that council meeting. Because you cannot sneak in and write your name in attendance book and you also leave the house. He has been doing that as a practice for the last 2 years. If you look into my record here, I was only lenient enough to consider him as the mayor of Gulu City. But I pray that honorable councillors take this in good faith. But for today's meeting, I'm crossing his name because he has never attended and he was not supposed to come in. So I've crossed his name. He never attended our council meeting of today. And if he wish, then he can come in the next council meeting.
Inoni kono idwe ma cheli kar mageria mo wako mea ne omer po bedi council meeting ario kulu en kono ye kon beno mogoni riameno peti ati ento do war gire chik piano no etikal kwero lok metele
an chalo ngata lubu chiek ma Uganda bi mete ki lubu ne ento no furatika adong chalo mea Megulu City bedaka mete ki tich chalo mea Megulu City bedaka fura mete ne neno ni gimoki ken mator chiek ka Uganda chalo geri wetland ma presidential directive ki chiek mukene peyeni fura bi mete kinene alubu ki lwenyi kom corruption abi mete kwere ki tich pilwaka abi mete kwere ero don ka te tich dang ba tiu makun no angeyo anga ke anga matie pilwak ke anga ma peti pilwak
inoni kar ma wan lo TV oloki enalima eno yar kamlinga tirane dit pango mo weka anytime gin man
pire tek ingeyo machalo dana wane wenke wai merwa tim kija bod dana wang pire beru ya bero ke wai ka ngarmo don lim yungi chel yin be mere mi yungi chelo dong ata mani genuti meni no pigi mo madak beru chelo gemo mi mone but beru mere a practice make instilling discipline ikom ngata mo ke ken I believe ni chawani kama wati chirie ni pida port twal ni me amiro bet bo ki budget yen for the last 2 years people attending budget meeting cha noni it should not be an excuse but en machala mayor mi wai arieme anoni pore machala council yen bobe engagement meetings ma poll atamani we have harmonized our position
inoni kono ikare makono tele oberutie kin city mayor kachiel kilo councilors mano igipe yom tutwal kon gikore kom city mayor nyono oberu ka loje mo kere perwate donc gen gitamone pere dit tutwal ka gen gedwo la dit mayor me berutie kin gikar me mo je mo kene wa oloto lok me don lo mo ma ginwaro gitiek mano en committee lorangea iwan lo TV David Magere Igulu City.
Notela Megulu City Council dongo tiro kati neno me donlo magiti kwere pi mwagali metika bino enim dok kit meneno kit me aria mugu magidwa kom city kar mu karangeji omier ke donge ni loko mayo we meduro me fonye yot kom kidongu di mapegi tego meker donlo malabet na apilwak my city gulum Robert Ojok moneti kilokman matuti pin
Gulu City Council utiro Ketwi mecha yup mi don lowo pe mwaga beach mabicha kotich iduma bishel mi mwaga ni niyo mwaga liwario ki piera de man lupe ki yup mi don lo ma ikum karan kitika tich kere ma kar mi tiche bigir idweme abichel mi mwaga ni ikar matika keto warga man inyim council Caroline Rose Adong karan malolo kumlim don lo kitela Megulu City Council wachi yub me don lo man to twale bineno area makedwagogi I city
visions and implement basic infrastructure, purchase of land for future developments, land banking for industrial park, golf course, modern abattoir, purchase of grader for road opening and maintenance of Gulu City roads for accessibility and balanced road development within the city. Purchase of a roller for road compacting and maintenance of city roads. Construction and development of the ring road from Koro through Unyama, Kweyo, Koro and back to Kampala Road as per the physical development.
Ikin jami mapegi tego mayup mi don lo man uneno makibiti ye neno lokum yo kiwao tool fonye yokom kitij mamete pilwak mai tedero Innocent ayimbisiwe City Clerk Megulu wachi yub mi don lo pi city man tie marwata rwara ke yub mi don lo pi lo man mina mangwen man National Development Plan 4
guide the council in its operations over the next period of 5 years. Council has received it. It will be looked into in the standing committees of council and eventually brought back to council for passing. At that stage, that's when the council the committee members or the honorable councillors can offer guidance on other areas or issues that we have presented which will require further clarity. But in this, we look at the options that we have. How are we planning to take council forward in the next 5 years? Issues of staff recruitment, issues of infrastructure development, issues of garbage management, climate change, all areas of service delivery, without forgetting our parish development model.
Inge jolo yop me don lobo man, Speaker Megulu City Council Joyce Reni Alima kar kilok man.
Manyuri plan ni ono ni konyo wa mi projecting anyim ni wa reviewing bere je mo watimo gi je mo ko watimo. Wa konyo wa diri manya meneno kwene kama mera wa chakiye. Chamera wa chini documents mo kat ni energy engine. Mi tell Gulu City any guiding wanu teach wa wan hotel meneno kwene mo ramo kat ye chile. To twale ma lope ke local revenue but wa tiki chene mo kare magamente chwalo mo kilwoni conditional grant. Kian conditional grant. Mo kare cerca chulo muchara, mo kare cerca yuko kato development, mo kare chalo kato kwan kilo tiano kwan kato staff houses unitie. Wan ma chalo Gulu City bene ikom local revenue 50% chak wajini mero kare development what activity ye mano nen mano.
P1 Luo TV and Robert Mone ki Gulu City.
Notela mai pai Joseph County kaber mati Gulu District kitiki luor mati kumtimba jo mungu madongo lako doro kitki menyuar mon maktiki ngole kaber ni enim chok cho ari mapat ke mako gin kon mako nyual kanyak mo matiki ngolo dok kaber tiki tuo marero dang ni ente gutene wakelo tino labo kid gwok mo keken na George P1 Luo Television Ismail Jacob Jones ober kalobo ko longman ko lokelo tino nyira makit magi kedan mo ken makin pachi ikom kid Permanente walkway kidong ayo magaramati kwere mechopo en perman matini woro mateka nyer magitika ngolo man Gulu District.
Tim man tika diyo matekotran mon magin kitika kwaki ngolo Gulu District mole auma dana matiki lutiana rio tiengara chel ikin game aguma matiki tuo marera danane kom karne dong ene tika tute megwa ko lutiana rio ma eno nyalogi kicho ario mapat ento guwego en wagom tim man wego tuan teach ma tekran kimile la wino daga ma wayo to matie min aguma mole ene tiga yele ki gwako lutian man
tim piron berdan bege wani kam cha man bebro ag bar pe bar pami do ti ma lo bien be cha ka ganga ti center mar ka ken mai kan le tim matin nan ki kwanya e daga cha kwanya tim bar re Iya bagwa anu dia gua kana. Na gara kwan tiana na kwan tiana. Me aje tiana gara ram wan tiana matiti ram wan.
John Oola, one com LC1 me Jenny Village, Matie Pai Cho Chap County Gulu District, wajani tim machal kitman. Tie marachu twan dak bene megoman tika denu chan ki gwa ko tiana panyare.
Kai ne na chiel tikilu tiana rio. Un tiana rio ni cha mo kan we ho dok ben dano kete ni mer ke gwak mabe bien ena I po mer ni bet kuma ke nyar gi eno ni malu pe ke lu tiana rio mon no cho yo ber pere mabe no ngato mo mer gwak pe eni raja de raj made
ti cho ne ke ngewi
ngi ne bete ngara chil mo ke bi ngi chi ore yo pe wa kombeti me ber kan mo kan ni ma come la tiana tiri matieni en wajni chwa ngatu mi ijane tie pai bona mero beri chia dek ma kitelo po piano ber ke mirni ten la tiano ci dum ta u penyo ne dikla tiene mono ino ni a wona te pai bona nye musa nye musa te pai bona
ento William Uvoya kansila LC5 me pai Cho Chap County maene benetit la lupkola do at gamente mete der me Gulu District o chayo ma tektotan tim pacho machal kitman
watega wenyo do mapol kit macho mati ken gang gitega time kere ikomon mano gitiki pero mo metu wich ki dan mo magiti tu mo machalo tu lili matu me epilepsy magen waro daro en ni ki ka dong dan ni dong no getero dong gen ge wero ma me la bol I chwaro me go makeno ni uma ma en tigi tuo me alili man tuo epilepsy la cho mo mero mi nyaro tinan charo nywal kere ti man la ten ti ma goro ma da mano dong te ke lo baden ke mian ma mian be rak ti goro dan en ka wa noi o e mari wala bo chera be mari wer in kemme ki la tini gwa ko ma be bane ka enen in na nywa nyu ti tam ni me tim ma in giri tam ni me yumu i ti wan chera be kemme kiri mano be kere lo mi cher bo be tuyo wer in wer vuj wer ngeyo ni jone en be mer ke nywa
Caroline Rose Adong mati kan chile madaga machung pidana magitika kwa kingolo igamente mete der megulu chiti wadone koko machal kitman dongino mapol total
ya gamente nyongara mo kar gemane am lo mora cha tim mane me a ke compare amone ye ko beta tika ne am dago diet gulu sete kan lo ngola ke tika miate kiem gem lo ngola ke kamge ino la ngola ma la ding ir madaro te kamiato la ngola ma la ding ir ma la cho ino ma la tawang bana kumano te kamiato la ngola la wara wayam ngola me dul kumana na wa me tiano lo physical nyono kamodo kumi petika tit marwate kieta mier dul kumuti kere gitika ma te ma yo achen ma ana no ni kitika tikere me joka ki kum awon magitika nongone ikiamping
Adong o wajene picho po perman lungolo bene gen kitika yenyo yo me atima
wan wangeyo chiri Uganda kan wa ikariti iram we yare ma iri jala wanga lok ma iri tayar ne pian petum ne achi anu mai tika wear no miar transport betie ka koni ki waite chadan chi no ni dong pe yo mukene wan wotika kupe ki dul ma pe jenga ki kamanda afoi ni gulu sete kan pol pagem dul ma ki woni kompone samaritan tika tie lukogi tika chulu lutem ge kankwan mukene ki welo ngom ki yogo igi ori
en kono kokni perman tika bieno pienne lupajo kamano la cho a kiye ene pol kargen ki kat ki chach kage piu la cho megweko dagma tiki ngolo mano enonom chochok eni ikar matika tero la weno mawae dong perene wa ad magen giberie ka chel ki odi padan mo kene mano tene kwet game man omedo perogi amedam Ismail Jacob Jones be One Luo Television Igulu District
Jang tit maneno lokum kabir maurumu wa kidong je mokene kiniti yepi guja okono yup mitute megwako pi mati wang oidi amandam mati Gulu City malope kika lawala mapin mati karaman pi mwak mamanak mokarangit dam oidi no duan wakun tika bir makibuku yepi maleng pil wak makiti boma Gulu mati kilope kutotwal ene City man Lokman kikachi kwere bolu wake changwenti ni karmit kiyaro yup mekwero chabir mepi maleng kidong kabir maurumu wa Igulu City yumano chake yuyo diboma Gulu kadong la chen kwe madito belte ba kaunda man ba matiba deke la IB Division kiko nujo nesani uchaka chono beriye pe One Luo TV
Gwako kabir marumu wa tegian mapire tek tutwal mangara chil omiero po wek ki waja ento neni alaga pinyi tika kilo jima pool mawa ikine pi ma pole kin pin tika tuwo woko la bolle Igulu bot waka eni dam o kiteno matika kilo luoro ichindano magekwo iboma me Gulu City mano wego dul magneno lok me pi ka chel ki kabir magurumuwa ku katika neno kid ma omiero ki kony kere ki la o kiteno dam wek pi ne bayo chwiny Amy Brian Okot project manager ete dul me 8 environment wajuni yup tie me gwako wang pi o iteno wek bayo chwiny kit ma okarangech
wanu ng'eyo ni mwake mokarangech pi makiluoni o iteno dam obero katuo woko madano obero ki peko madit me pi di Gulu kanyi kumbirishani kin ma National Water tika kimne era National Water okelo project maneno ni wang pi me o itino ki woko menna machel National Water tika tich kidul mabi konyo gi tich ma NIA environment amref ki AIFA dok bene National Water kumbere chanu no dul magiti board wakany actually private sector development company limited seed good luck company kimuke na rio magiti kabino chi joman chalo seed yubu konyo me poko ngech malupe ki wako wang pime oitino ki kapero murunwa actually private sector ki uneno nigi konyo wegi ngom mangom gi uteno pi oitino magien petika tich ki ngom yo mati
Luke Ufungi, manager me sit iloke owajo ni gitie ka tute matek neno ni pi o kitino dam pe ochwiny chalo aduki me aloka piny dok ni gitie ka tich ka chel kidul maneno lok me pi ka chel ki kabir ma orumo wa.
In 2016 in Gulu we had a shortage of water where there was no supply because Oitino had dried up. So that gave birth to the Gulu Go Green Marathon, whose aim is to critically raise awareness on these environmental issues we are facing at national level, but also at sub-national level, especially in Gulu and northern Uganda at large. We got a grant from National Water that is geared towards addressing behaviors, the behavior of the community and mindset. So we are focusing on addressing the quality of water and also the quantity with support from National Water. And here we are going to raise awareness within communities of Gulu on how to preserve but also how to maintain, but also do our communities know clean water.
Peter Okwoko, co-CEO me Takataka Plastic, ukati bene ni gin mawero pi o gitiano dam tuo kare aye pi yugi ma aki boma me Gulu City. Dok ni luako miero gugwake ki aloka piny kono gigwako kabedo ma orumo wa.
Yeah, so it's evident that the community around Gulu still consumes a lot of beverages that are packaged in plastic bottles. And if you move around the city and other areas, you'll witness that there are a lot of plastic bottles clogged everywhere. We need to start sorting our waste. If you have your waste at your household level, try to sort. For example, the plastics. We already have use for plastics as Takataka Plastics. It's just a matter of you sorting, and we have members of our team who move around every now and then trying to collect the plastic bottles. But it's very hard to collect all the plastic bottles if we mix the waste. So I would advise us to start sorting and be mindful of the environment. Climate change is real. We've been crying over, oh, it has been super hot and all this. It's real. So we need to be mindful of this and be responsible citizens.
Pasquale Kerudong, ngat matelo wi Upper Nile Water Management Zone ete ministry me water ki environment. Onyuro kamaleng ni onyo yugi ata pudit iboma me Gulu dok luak miero nendiro me gwoko yugi lokone udok gin mabe.
The innovation are things we think around and make it work for us to change things. Like what Takataka is doing. We have solid waste all over plastics, but you want to think how best can I turn this waste which is all over into something useful so that we resolve the problem of open dumping and poor waste management of communities. That thinking. Now the knowledge we are looking at is that how much do we know on the dangers of dumping things. If I dump a plastic, I'll finish the bottle of drinking water, I just throw it. Is that the knowledge I have of managing the environment? So that knowledge bit helps us to understand to what level do we appreciate clean environment? To what level do I appreciate clean water when it's flowing in a river? So what level of knowledge do we have that makes us manage this environment better?
Kadong Albert Orijabo, Assistant Commissioner ete Ministry me water oteroni, machalo Ministry gitika tute kidul matielo ko don lobo nenoni kelaro pi o kiteno.
Right from 2016, 2017, the dam were the main source of water, Oitino Dam, dried up. It dried up successively all the years. And these are the impacts of climate change that we are seeing. Climate change manifests itself in the water sector in form of extremes. So one time it's completely no water, the next time there's excessive water to do that. We recognize the impacts of climate change to all the different sectors, and for us as the ministry, we are trying to see how we can jointly address these impacts. With the water resources subcomponent, we have embraced what we call the integrated water resources management approach, which is a framework where all the different stakeholders come together.
Twin papi o kitieno tika kilo luor matere twin dano makwo iboma Megulu City kon tie chala duki ma la pin madano tika ballo dago kulu tongo yen me maka meto ikiene mokene ayekilu pero magi ikaberu maurumuwa Piwalu TV Jonisani uchaka chon Igulu City.
Imeyutam ka bene kilego luak maito rome katika choko komon makititi kachil medongo pachi makidombene kuopa luak makitikin pachi mano bini ngemon makiberu inyakesi parish kaberu matinya ngole sub-county itoro district kukura kachil mechako neno yu mechung kachil uwekinen kit merayo lime kono ginka kengi wekedong kachil chalomon magiti parish man gino waini mon kiti mero choke bolu tala kidong bene dar makikitik lubekit mekonyo engin pinel makitikwe mejo kwa tirane lokom tim geir me ot kidong bene duoko chen ni lokom chung mano ker mapol nuchin komon igwoko pajo George Ofono olimo Nyakesi Parish enologo kidul pamon magi.
Inwang' rok no lweny gi dinyo mopokere machando mon kanyachiel gi nwang'o ni juchungo paka jom mon i district ma Tororo onyopama juchako chokro kanyachiel wuok kod rieko. Me iluwich wach maduong' mandelo pa mon i oro me mawacho ni timo gimoro manyalo miyo mon bedo jomochwiny mon imiluka manyakes gombela manyang'ole chungo ikitipa pa jomung'er ni an awuona ywakere pamanyo jotieko chako chan makiwada pesa male konyo jo chako gimoro makelore jodome paka kitipa.
Tami komu tundo me wan same wamito thiel wuok bongi government okonyo wani wamito bedo nyiewo gik piny ma catering ka wamito ndriamo shandi peshini ma wani wakonyishwa gwa bende gikuro peshi.
Moni nitie gidinyo joting'o migugo mapek e ot. Kisi gimobedi onwang' ni kadi kisoma itotho dhako ting'o mathoth ripo nwang'o ni nyato kidho kisoma oting'o kitabo kalamu ginang'o.
Chan makiwada pesa me timere inwang' rok ni jome onyopama jutimo kalima mathindo thindo to joluong'ie jono ma joshungu kwir ikifomo pokere konyo jogi goyo pesa mamitere. Chan pa mon me riwruok yachiel ilweny kod dinyo mopokere makadho iye genere ni lawiro kuopa ji madit kanyachiel kod duoko king'unya ipechin chien maidoru madit timere ruji ng'iyo dhoyo achiel mathiel mapecho maru madit idobedo ruwije chwo.
Awacho odonji tishino wona konyo wiye chwo wan nyiewo ye sabun nyiewo ye chumbi nyiewo ye kang'o
bako kungoyo gi gimoro je mago betimo dhako kungoyo gi sawa ma nyalo riwerie gi wade kanyachiel adieri dhako no ng'awo in pirigo king'ei kada situation nitie nedi kose nedi go ketho demand makinyalere e sawa to ka jubedo kanyachiel munyo bentie gima jotimo ma jonwang'ie kada gima thin konyo wani udi sama ni nwang'o ni go busho teko man mako wacho kada ri
dhako pan ber nwang' pesa kuom ji chwo to ka ywe gi jotimo chan pa jo paka nyama to jonyiewo gi piny pa joma tero digi ni itero jotich kamoro jonwang'o pesa ni nyalo oro madongo pechin pa jo inwang'o ni dhawo mapecho labedo kanyo bedo manok wan paka jotel ka dhawo ngo pechin pa ji wawinje maber pir menenyo pecho matie siem aka jatel wamito siem kende
oripo mon ma jotie tenge gi tenge ma jungo ikitipa be jukopla nger ma wan wakitho kuro gine pechin mag wan aka gi piny ma watimo ma wakitho nyiewo la konyo wan tielo chwok wani iroyo mupokere
aka inwang' rok ni omedi miseni i riwruok pa mon me magenere ni lekelo riwruok yadech jutel onyopama jokwayo kanyachiel to joridho ni jule miyo thiel mopokere rimon je majuntie kod paro mar riwruok achiel ro atonga ma wiro peshin pajo gi piny pajo pakarom
chandi thoth padola chandi thoth akaja tele mamiyo ji rieko ngere ng'uma nyalo wuok iye chandi so amito lwenyo gi chandi amito lwenyo gi nwang'o wach makielo dongo pamon nwang'o ni mona ma jobedo ji ma jokuro pechni mawan ka jomakere kanyachiel to jotimo tich madongo jodongo nyithindo mawa mathindo me
oriwa ma piny gi pi magawo inger mamon bedie i oro magana rogario jubintu joyiere ni inger achiel malweny kod shande i piny gi be obedo miyo mon miseni aka gik piny moshalo gama genere ni lemiyo ji utundi i paronom iloka ng'eya mochwiny gi Wan Luo TV an George Ofuono gi Tororo.
Afuaito to aneno report kibot George Ofuono. Elwake makibero i Kawempe North kabero mati Kampala tenne gochier mapole yub mebolo kuipe yala chuma megiat moko chek melobo Uganda man manyene pileyo kawang MP machon lilese Girinya Mohamed makono tumwa kdwemi achel ki oti adrubaga man kono kuini tikulu chuma pa i kabolo kui mapol tilu kabolo kui mi achel pierwan ya biro mati pilwak me Kawempe North ento tele magwai kui man malupe kia duke kui uye ti kin la chung itapati enariman Nambi Farida kidong la chung papati enup man luyimbazi narukola ikin lu chung muken mapol gina pane pat roba la ruber kalupoko kui man chok en kili kombedi report mo bero doge iyub mamewa man lorange mo chung e Wan Luo Television.
Luago mo tamgi kun gino po di ko chon mi chero kabolo kui kit mier la chui ot mo ko chiek manien peluak me Kawempe North i Kampala. Malupe ki lok pamuchunguzi Julius la lok padul maloyo lokum kui i Uganda wachigen gitiki polling station mia chel ki piera bungwan wia bero matie kabir mapat i Kawempe kun girono jemi mi bolo kui gi udi kuchon kun wachi kina kachawa pario ke kume jemi bolo kui weng no do tiro o bolo kui mantie mi leyo wang MP machon lieli Girinya Mohamed makwone otum wako idwe mea chel imwaraman kun enoto ki otiat rubaga dharma pat go mo tamge chicken ko bino go chako bolo bene kui churchot ikin lotela Henry Kasaka o bolo kui mamege ki Katalema Nursery Primary School matiem Perere Muhammad Mutazindwa o bino kono bolo kui mamege ki Kawempe Primary School churchot wanero bene Ismail Musitwa People Progressive Party obino bolo kuine ki Kajegere Kachambwa Primary School kadong la chen wanero Farida Nambi machong pi NRM obino obolo kuine chawa ngwen ke kome kon eno bino obolo kuiman ki Kawempe Mbogo Primary School.
We were able to see where our major weaknesses were. The late Honorable Girinya won with 44,000 votes, and yet members of NRM in our yellow book that make the whole of Kawempe division are over 50,000. What did that show us? We needed to do a lot of work within our members of NRM that are registered in our yellow books. That is exactly what we have done.
Iyo acheli bene Erias Luyimbazi nalukola machui pate minup en beno bolo kui chawa ngwen ke kome kon eno chero bolo kui mamege atiki Church of Uganda polling station matie Kawempe.
I have voted in my favor and I encourage all voters in Kawempe North to turn up and vote. Don't be intimidated by the presence of the armed men, numberless motor vehicles. We appreciate the support. We appreciate the information you have offered to us.
Luak beno note karchel minero kitma kui man woro kwere. Kono guak do ikin bolo kui wo manok beno tuke ye.
their own orders that the people of Kawempe North must have a candidate, must have a member of parliament who subscribes to a ruling party. Then they wouldn't have put in place elections. They would have said, no, we are declaring this one as an MP. But you are differentiating people of their rights to vote.
Few issues, but not major issues, to overturn this election.
Iloka kwi mika wempe dharma tika PMT kena pa kolo ento PMT matek ikinda chung mi NRM man Farida Nambi kila chung papate minup Elias Luimba nalokola kumbedi mo minu report foot pike karo nga muloyo ento jimene foot tika wot komeno piloka ngaya muchunyi One Luo TV Pat Robert Larubi Kawempe North.
Malupe kipenchik melobo Uganda machimani mono chu igelo malo tela kedong lutit pagamente omyorgo ya lim imalo ni magiti kwere la dor mochik melobo Uganda aneta mong tino ya la mege bot IGG Betty Kamia ikin dana makono eno logo yawani mono dama myorko mokloko mkabengo ya la no mege bot IGG ket machik chimo kwere Kamia la tiano chiro tela moken food gitiko nkimire mechungi kuimateka biana na food paya ko ya la ngeme timo manchot manofut pia ni na makemiyo tum iyub man tum eninde pierda ko achel medrumia dek mwara ene inge chaka nindwa chel medrumia dek imwara man bene Fred Kajubi oberuti iyub mayar lonyo pala dod mokochik melobo Uganda Anet Anita Mong Iyub me yaro lonyo palo tela kilutit bagamente en yu chaka nendo ya chel medrumia dek da obutum eninde pierda ko achel medrumia dek mwara man.
I've successfully made a declaration to IGG online. This is public information. If any of you wants to enter and check, you can check. Of course, we have nothing to hide. Whatever we have can be accounted for.
Mamiet ni mondo tela kilutit pagamente omier goya chili andi magen kino lone makete kwere makome kidong bene jemo ken makwayo lim ki chingin mafut pa ya dwene ni utum.
Time round, usually we have resource issues, but this time round we are making it our strategy to trace the assets through the verification exercise.
Malupi kite book pa office pa IGG food pier deku ya beer komia chile ken palutit pagamente gen ali pier wangwen amier go yalo ni gina timo man malupi kipenjik kamiado lego ni mon ngati ma ken amiero food pa ya timo man miero ne timo ko yoro yot pie ni mon chek pa ye ni latela onyola tit pagamente okan lonyo mameke Kitung chel NIGG beno chiegni ng'at maken mati office karman onyo miro katika chungi kuimatika bino imwaga manyeni omiero yalo ene chot pien kachepo timo man peo buchung ikit kaberu moiken metela en beno po iwelo tela tuchwale makiti elo tela me pare chimi bieni moro miergo yalo mameki pien meno ayeket mapen chik chimo kwere Karibet kiten no MPs mkena go chayo la juatima yalo naman kilok ni mono pe kwenye lweni komchamchana dok bene pe kimoko lokada pa jomagi ada kati lokada nyoko lubukar mokiken berubere Kitung chel IGG man Betty Olive namisango kamia kilulubukar bene la chengo yalo ni mamaki bola dot moko chek melobo Uganda kit machek chimo kwere Iyub man pe mwaga en yu butum ni da pierdo kwa chel midrumia dek dog gitimo inge mwaga riyo duju ilobo Uganda kany. Pe One Luo Television ki Kampala, Fred Kajubi. Ilokom biashara nyeti ya kofonya penena rio luchara chuk madit me guldongo wen gitike neno manyen ikom dongo biashara geno nywago man borla George pa One Luo TV.
Yonge fonya menena rio madul me Enterprise Uganda yubo pilo chat me chuk madit me gulu lu chat ma pol gen gu waja ki One Luo TV nigi tiko no alaga ma tekrutan ket me gime chako dor biashara game Patrick Ovu Ukulo chila chara chel mabene chara ichuk madiet megulu kontero kit pa enino kerengej yonge fonyeman
madam timo nano we be nano kompol mege me chuke a kum gibejo bien en kita girwata kere kijime bien jime bi no yoga tere sika ka ken ka do karma ene anu ngweje be gam humio kar ken do wangen wido so ene kita na dan tiu ka chene bare genan yang tin bene ama kar kene ko konyo wa ene chene pro mir ti kera ta ke macharo mir planning mir bit ki business plan ma migi wa ke macharo dong ini bi tiu ki chene nyo ke macharo chene mago ba biunu kere ke macharo nyo mwa atum kere no yiti ki business plan manyor ne ka mwa atum na tiki ni ning nyo chili adi mara mati mo ki ngo so no pier ta da
ubu dong wajani menom itiki gan ma teklan le biachar me ko dom ba teklan yonge no fonye man
en mara lo dano kan gidem den la bon par ni den ni mara rata ki business ma ta tiune ki dong ki man en mara dong lo ni multi purpose borrowing ki kan ma teka da si no ne gam finka ichulu ki centenary gam centenary ichulu ki BFCU gam BFCU so ichulu ki Stanbic so no ne dano kan no ti lon kar ka kara ria de so ka kenyo wego business pe chung piano pol chene madong inano ni pe chene ni era no chene ma palom yen lokani ka de bera tikirata no iti atiki chene me lona pe chene me business nyo pe chene ni ma no mir iti kere
lu tempi achar mo kene bene mago ber tie kar me fonye man bene gen ku tero ngo ma gen ki no I kar me fonye man
right pagamo chene ma in chere dem chene dem ki lon kama ti da chere dem kama kene kai bieni chere ki eli eni bere kero anyoba business we are business pe don
dem ma ko kai dem ma ko el me wen loss lom ma in war ye ma ko na ta kin me dwak lom ta no ni kidum kai gam lom kan da chere gam lom ka cha ma biom ka chu lom en el me wen ye bi no loss ya me ti ka me ka ko ya me la
an dong parang tiar ko an da te on bia cha no kwe dong parang tiar ko me ken te on bia cha na feeling te on bia cha na feeling dong pio mo ne en dong bia cha na ta ko ki wishing no no ni tamwa do la ta ko nge ni mi bo la tamwa e kin mo mo ke kin mo me mo ke di so no me ko dong la ko tamwa we
Kitung Chel Rosemary Mutiabule Mati Director me Business Advisory Services Bot Dulme Enterprise Uganda wajani meno lu tembi achar ma pol pegi gwako ko ti game
that business. Now to be able to grow it, you need to be making decisions every day. So one of the main responsibilities of an entrepreneur is making decisions. Because but how do you make decisions? They are based, there must be evidence, and the evidence is the records. So your sales are telling you that this item is not selling. Yeah, the records are showing it's not selling. So you need to make a decision on that. So many of them are stuck in businesses that are not growing because they are failing to make decisions because they don't have records. They have no basis for making a decision. So one of the things we are getting them to do is to have books and record your sales, record your expenses, and then that is your story and that should guide you in making decisions. Some are working with relatives who are probably not helpful. They don't understand the business, they're not giving good customer care. And so when you're not in your business, the business is not working. And so make a decision.
And terne fonye machar kitman, big konya matektual, kit me don palotimbe achara, magetie ichuk madon, me lobo Uganda.
They are spending unnecessarily and so want to improve efficiency in there. How do you identify where the loopholes, the leaking taps are and be able to improve efficiency and in so doing improve your profits and be able to plow them back to grow the business. And then the issue of leadership, the owner of the business. Now, we all know a small business is typically started by the owner. Now, that owner starts with good intentions, but because they are not trained, they are not trained on how to run a business. Before you know it, they are the ones who kill the business. Why? The way they are spending. They are not keeping records. They don't understand whether they are making profit or not. All they know, I'm selling. And so many of them confuse sales with profit.
Dulme Enterprise Uganda, kongi kupeke minisimela lokom lim, goyo yup ka chel ki dong lobo me Uganda, gene giti nge fonye machal kitman, ichuk madama ki geruge, ite programme mative. Ismail Jacob Jones, Piwanluo Television, Igulu City.
Forge Madid per report markibot Ismail Jacob Jones to oyagike pa yupilo kange mo chwenye tinkan Kiwanluo TV ania Sunday akumu metekene nowa yup mukene te kabino kombiti.